Hello, in today's video I'm going to take you through how you can download and install Cursor AI on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 PC. So on your PC you are going to head over to our web browser. Remember, the web browser you use doesn't matter in this case, but I'm going to use Google Chrome. So on my Google Chrome I'm going to search for Cursor AI. So we search for Cursor AI. Once you search for Cursor AI, you are going to see the official website for Cursor, which is for cursor.com. So if you open it, it's going to take you directly to cursor.com. So on here now we are going to download based on what our operating system. The moment you get into the cursor.com, you realize that will download for Windows. This button is going to change after the website is able to recognize your operating system. So it will change to download for Windows because it knows your system is Windows. If your system is Mac, you see download for Mac here. If you don't see download for Windows immediately, you have to wait for a few seconds for it to be fully able to recognize your system. So we are going to click on download for Windows. Then once you click on that, you realize that the download has started immediately. So let's wait for the downloads to end. So as you can see, my download is done now. So I'm going to head over to my download path where this file has been downloaded to me is on downloads. So I'm coming to downloads. Once I'm on downloads, I'm going to double click on this to start the installation process. Now once you double click on this, immediately the system is going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? So you are going to click allow, then it will take you to this window where it will show you a license agreement. So if you read the license agreement and you are okay, then you can just accept the agreement. They will move on to the next. Now it's going to show you the destination location where this program will be installed. Now if you don't have a good reason to change this, just leave it like that. So click on next, then start. It's asking you, do you want to select the start menu folder? So yes. If you also don't have a good reason to change this, you just prefer leaving it like that. So if you also don't want to create a start menu folder, you can also check here as well, but I'll prefer leaving it default like this. Then I'll go to next. Then you have some things here like create a desktop icon. So yes, you want to check that. Add open with cursor action to Explorer file context menu. You want to check that as well. Then you also want to check this as well. They want to proceed, they will go to next. Then ready to install, you click on install finally. Then we'll wait for a few seconds for the app to unpack and install for us. Alright, so our installation is done successfully. Then we are going to click on finish, which will launch our cursor because this is automatically checked on. So once we click on finish, it's going to launch the cursor interface. So now our cursor has successfully launched. So we have two options, either to log in or sign up. So if you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up and follow the process to sign up. If you already have an account, then you just click on login to log into your cursor. So this is how we download and install cursor on our Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you want me to do a full tutorial video on how to use cursor, kindly let me know so I can make a video on that for you. So see you in another video.